5 Best Camcorders. Number 5. HCWXF991K. Plus in-camera editing for 1080p displays. Ultra-sharp 4K Ultra HD recording. Dedicated HDR button enables quick mode changes. Featuring several in-camera cinema creative. 4K cinema in-camera editing. 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Canon Vixia HF-G40. Advanced HD CMOS Pro Image Sensor. 1080/60p recording in MP4. 20x high-definition optical zoom lens. Built-in Wi-Fi technology. Dynamic modes and auto on/off. High-capacity battery included. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. JVC GY-HUM 1700U. PD 150 LED Ultra Slim Video Light. Spare BNVF823 battery for JVC. All manufacturer-supplied accessories. PD 5-piece camera and lens cleaning kit. Powered by 48V phantom power. PD universal LCD screen protectors. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Canon XA10. 8-blade iris and manual focus ring. 64GB internal flash drive. 2 SDXC compatible memory card slots. Manual audio level control. USB 2.0 high-speed terminal. Canon Digic DV3 image processor. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Sony FDR-AX700. Sony has the ideal camera and instant HDR workflow. Hybrid AF with 273 points. This is the perfect tool. Item weight, 2.1 pounds. Making unforgettable videos. Please check the description for detail and price.